If your garden needs a boost, you're in luck. We have a simple natural solution that can transform your garden into a lush paradise. It's easy, cost-effective, and uses something you probably already have in your kitchen. Did you know eggshells are packed with calcium and essential minerals? These nutrients are crucial for plant health and can help your garden flourish. Start by collecting and rinsing your eggshells to remove any residue. Let them dry completely. Either leave them out for a day or two or lightly bake them. Once dry, crush or grind them into a fine powder. Sprinkle this natural fertilizer around the base of your plants or mix it into the soil. Watch your garden thrive with stronger roots, enhanced growth, and fewer pests. Try it out and see the difference. Follow for more easy and powerful gardening tips. Happy gardening!